In the Middle Ages, people thought saffron could cure the plague. It can't. Still, the Saffron War of 1374 lasted 14 weeks, proving that gold, diamonds, and oil aren't the only things we cherish and plunder. People have been losing their heads over commodities like tea and mushrooms for centuries. Even 700 years after the Saffron War, the spice still fetches a pretty penny. There are two types, Spanish and Iranian, and although they both use the same labor-intensive process for harvesting and processing tiny purple flowers, the Spanish variety is worth twice the price. Saffron peaked in 2014, around $8.56 per gram. 1 gram of gold then would equal about 5 grams of saffron. Italy's Tanaro River Basin produces prized white truffles, delicious fungi worth $3.35 a gram at their peak in 2008. Put another way, 1 gram of gold then would buy 9 grams of the mushroom. But the market has softened in recent years. In 2016, excess rain led to an influx in supply, which sank wholesale prices 30%. New cultivation tactics could further devalue the fungus. The more we buy wild beluga caviar from the Caspian Sea, the more enticing it is for the local fishermen to kill sturgeon for their eggs, and the scarcer the fish become, driving up prices further. Caviar prices are as high as they've ever been, $10 a gram, and you'll likely have to buy at least an ounce's worth, or almost 30 grams. That's equal to 7 grams of gold. The market for rhino horn, prized in Asia for its supposed medical value, peaked around 2012, when prices reached more than $100 per gram, or 1.7 grams of gold. But widespread education about rhino horn and its lack of medicinal value seemed to be lowering prices. PSAs showing celebrities like Richard Branson biting their fingernails, made of keratin, like horns, likely helped. Dahong Pao tea is said to have healed a 14th century Ming emperor's ailing mother. In gratitude, he placed a red robe around the trees, cementing the tea's name, Big Red Robe, and its cult status. The tea was once valued at more than $2,000 per gram, but prices dropped after cultivators found a way to grow the tea trees off of their native Wuyi Mountains. Today, the tea sells for around $1,400 a gram. That's $10,000, or 236 grams of gold for one pot. So what's the price of gold anyway? Right now, it's sitting at just over $42 per gram. You could spend that on a few grams of saffron or caviar, or you could buy an Echo Dot, or a portable charger for your electronics, or 42 slices of dollar pizza. The choice is yours.